Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to edit black tone preset using Lightroom Mobile. And here is the picture of before and after effect. Without any further, let's get started editing. First, go to Light. Bring the exposure to plus 0.20. Contrast up to plus 60. Highlight up to plus 20. Next, bring the shadow to minus 10. Light down to negative 100. And black up to plus 40. Now, let's go to color. Vibrance down to negative 25. And saturation down to negative 30. Now go to mix. Plus 16 for saturation and minus 10 for luminance. Orange, minus 10 for hue and plus 10 for saturation. Yellow, minus 100 for hue and saturation. Green, minus 100 for saturation. Aqua, plus 100 for hue and minus 100 for saturation. And minus 100 for saturation in blue, purple, and magenta. Click Done. Now, let's go to Effect. Bring the texture to plus 16. Plus 20 for clarity. Plus 10 for dehaze. And minus 30 for vignette. Now, let's go to split tone. 208 for hue and 3 for saturation in highlight. 219 for hue, and 11 for saturation in shadows. The last, go to details. $50 for sharpening. Noise reduction, go to 20. And color noise reduction up to 22. And done. Now let's try this preset to another photo. Leave a like if you like this video, dislike if you don't like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss other Lightroom tutorials. That's it for today. Stay creative and see you in next video. Bye!